Hello everyone, today I will teach you how to make After Effects preset and I will even tell you how to import it. So let's get right into the video. First, put all the effects you want in your preset. After putting that, select all of your effects. Don't forget to select all of it and go to animation, then save animation preset. Now here you can give the name of your preset whatever you want it to be. I will give it CC 2.0 and save it. Now you can refresh your After Effects, and if you go to effects and search your preset, then you can find it under preset. So let's delete all of these effects and let's see if my preset works or not. And here it works perfect. Now I will teach you how to put the preset of keyframes as well. So let's select the text and put a keyframe on opacity. Let's make it 0 and a little forward. Let's make it 100. And now let's select both of it, ease in, ease out. You can even play with the graph panel however you like. And after all that, you just have to select all of the keyframes you worked on and go to animation, go to save animation preset. And again, you just have to give the name whatever you like. And if your preset is not coming, then you can try refreshing your After Effects. And after that, let's just delete the keyframes and let's go search the name I gave to my preset. So yeah, it came right here. Now let's put it here and let's drag the keyframe wherever we want it. So yeah, let's see if it works or not. Let's play the video, and yeah, it works completely fine. Now the final thing, how to import your own preset, like whatever you downloaded. So what we have to do is we just have to select the downloaded preset and we just have to cut it or copy it, whatever you like. And then we can go to documents, go to Adobe, and then we can go to After Effects and user preset, and we just have to paste the downloaded files right here. Then we can open the After Effects and make a composition, and in animation presets you can find all of your downloaded files in user presets. So yeah, that's how you import the presets. If you like the video, you can consider subscribing our channel and hit the bell icon for more After Effects tutorial, and leave the comment what do you want me to post next.